Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox send request failed. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox send request failed, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you'll enter to Roblox and you click. Here in this list of app info you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi. You will turn off your Wi-Fi as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.